Okay. How it will work, read master data will see in the transformation level. So you can write lookup also, lookup code as well. But lookup code also it will work same like read master data. Okay. I will create one lady so. So case keys are mandatory for the standard ISO. We have to make at least one key as a mandatory, maximum 120. In the older version, only 16 keys. So I just made sales document number and POS now as a keys. Okay. So now we just wanted to make this as a association. Okay. And wherever we have company code, I'll remove. Sorry, I'll add info object. Few. So I'm taking all this as master data. Okay, and so I'm deleting all customers. So sold to party already there. So I have taken customer number. So let me remove this one. Okay, I don't require this because that is also customer. Sold to party and bookers. So bookers is a company code. So I already taken info object, so I don't require this object. In the same way, do we have any material? If you have material, then I will remove them. Okay, already material. Okay, vendor. Yeah, vendor list. Okay, fine. Okay, I will activate them. These are all master data, whatever I have taken. Whatever I have taken plant, vendor, customer, material, these are all materials. Sorry. These are all master data. Okay, these are all master data. So then we will read data from these master data. Example, company code is there. Okay, just double click. I already opened the company code in separate sheet. And if you go attributes, see here, we having many objects in the attributes level. So you can see source system and fiscal period and country. You can see country and company code. Company. This is not a company code. This is a company. Okay, under the company we have many company codes. Okay, for example, Tata Company. Under the Tata Company, we have multiple company codes like Tata Group, Tata Motors, Tata Technologies, Tata ELXE, Gold. Many companies are there, okay, under the Tata companies. So company is like Tata Group. Under the Tata Group, we have multiple company codes. Okay, chart of account. So I just want to read from this company code master data, this country or company code or chart of account based upon our requirement. Or else you can go to any master data customer. Just open the customer. And here come customer. These are all master data, right? You can see here customer classification, country, and consumer, and industry. And you can see postal code and region also. So what we need to do, okay, just add this as well. If you have region data, let me check in here. Okay. Slash BA P customer. If you go here, slash BA0 P customer. So whenever I activate a customer, it will create multiple tables, right? I'm going to P table. And we are looking for postal code or city. And these values available or not while you are reading. Here you can see what values are available. Nothing available. Values are not available. Total we have 97 customers. For this, I don't see any data. I don't see any data while you are reading. Okay. And let me check in company code. 213 records. Okay. Here we have few values at least, okay? This country and the company. Country we have it, okay? Chart of account. We have it, okay? Okay, and where it is our company code 1710. 1710, we have this one, okay? And this is, okay, yes. Okay, let me check. Okay, I will do it like, no, I will add country. I'll add country in our DSO flow. So I'm going to add country. So in this, I'm going to add it, okay? So you can do it like, okay, I'm just adding this one and I will read from company code, company code master data. So once activate, okay, it is activated. And here, what you need to do next step, right click and go to this one, explore data flow. Once you go to the explore data flow, add update. So I'm selecting our data source. This one. Okay. I'm mapping it. Select this one. Right click and create transformation. And okay, click on OK. Okay, while you are going to read, okay, while you are going to read, here, do we have country? Okay, we have a country. So vendor is there, okay, plant is there. I don't have any vendor in the source level and customer, right? Customer, we have it. Let me okay, close and let me map it, okay? Where it is Purna. Okay, this is like no customer, customer. Okay, system will not understand. This read first country is there, right? I'll do show rule. Here we need to select lookup or read master. Both are same only. And here, what is the lookup object? So I'm giving this one company code. Okay. Here map it, map country. No need to map. Automatically bring it. Good. The company code, country. Okay. Okay, I just mapped it, look up well, okay. And now we'll see. Here you can see look up, okay. And then material and activate it. Okay, then we'll go to data plot and create this data. So we are going to RSMNG regulatory code. So we just loaded the data. I can see one request and you can go to inbound table and you can check it. Our country is updating or not. Zero country field is there, right? Where it is. See here, you can see. I didn't map it in the transformation level. Okay, this is how it will work. Did you understand? Let me explain more. Okay, wherever we have company code, okay, wherever we have company code, okay, this let me put together, then you will understand. See here, like no, this is the attribute. This is the attribute of company code. So wherever we have 1710 and it is updating years, and you can go here. Do we have any other countries? See here, and VMVK. VMVK also having years. I'm not sure. Let me check in the database level. Okay, it is updating years for all. Okay, Sam Dell also. Let me check in company code P table. Go here. So whatever we have, okay. 1710 having company code or not. Okay, this is ES. It should be all. Here you can see country ES. Okay, wherever we have, okay, this will have ES 1710. What about other? Dell, DELL. So we here we have is 1710 ESK. Dell. Okay, let me check. Do we have any company code for this? So here we have a ES. You can see this is ES. Okay, if you have any other countries, SAM. Okay, go execute and check it. See here, ES, country. So whatever we added field is country. Okay, so this is how we are reading from the master data. And Dell, and do we have any other countries? All we are updating ES only. Any other? Let me check here only without ES. Other than ES, do we have any values? Go back. and activate it. I'll go active table. You know, right, how to go active table. See, always we are analyzing the data in the active table only. Go to here and activate it. Okay. Here, remove 500. You can see all the data and you can analyze it. So basically here we having country. Okay. Right click and go to filter, set filter, and there we can see browse. And any other countries? No, we having only one country because total countries, what and all we have it. Okay. What and all company codes we have it. That also we will analyze. How many countries we have it. How many company codes we have it. See here, right click and go to set filter. We having total, these are the company codes. Total we having these company codes. Right click and copy and go to this table. Go to this table. We already there here. Okay. Go to this table and I'm passing into company code. So like this at what to one shot, we will check all these company codes as well. Okay. Paste it and execute it. Okay. Now we can execute them. See here, all are having ES only. What we will do? See, all are having ES only. From source system itself, we are getting data, this company code data. Okay, if you are getting any other company code data, then we'll get different countries as well. So we are getting only, we are loading 2LIS underscore 11 underscore VA item. So sales document item level, we having complete this order data, only this company code data. Okay, for this all company code data, in the company code master data level, for all these company codes, we having country as a US. Are you getting me? So we are having master data as a ES only, country as a ES. So that is the reason we are updating in the transactional data ES only. Okay, we having ES only. This is how it will work. Read master data. You can try with any other field, like in the customer level, might be, but if you take customer, but okay, here you should be there, that customer, and this same customer should be available, same customer should be available here also. Okay, remember this point. Okay. Whenever the material is matching, whenever customer is matching, and then only it will update. Okay. Here slash BA0 slash P customer. Okay. And okay, whatever you are taking, but here we don't have master data for this field, for this entry. Okay, then we will not do anything. It will be blank only. If you have any values, matching values, whatever you have, transactional data, whatever you are loading. Okay, let me explain in more. So we are loading transactional data. Okay, we are loading transactional data. We are loading transactional data. Sorry, we are loading transactional data, and we are checking, master data field like country or any other field. Okay, any country or metal group or metal type, anything you can take it. But so that material should be available in the That material should be available in the master data. Okay. Here we are comparing transactional data and master data. Master data means zero material. Okay. Or zero customer, or zero plant, or zero compound. So here comparing this transactional data, we are comparing it to this master data. Okay, so in transactional data we have a one value. Okay, in transactional data we have one value. That value should be available in here. For example, in transaction data we have one material, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the material, zero material P table also we should have 1, 2, 3. Then any other field, metal group or metal type or metal group 1, group 2, group 3, anything it is available value, that will read it. That is called read master data. See here, this is called read from master data. Okay, in transaction data we have some values. Okay, one customer. Like this is, you just assume like 1, 2, 3 is a material. Same material should be available in the material level, material P table. Otherwise, it will be blank only. Okay, if you take any customer, okay, customer triple X, okay, same customer should be available in the customer here, customer master data level. Then only your required field will read. Now we are loading 1710, our company code. Our company code. So here also we have a company code available in the system level, P table available. Here we have a US is the country. US is the country. What field we are reading? Country. Country field. So in the company code, in the transactional data also, we have taken country. But we didn't map it. We didn't do direct mapping. We did read master data. Remember this point, okay? We see here what we did here. See here, I mapped from company code. See, this is company code and this is country. This is wrong, na? So that means wherever we have company code master data, there it will check and it will update it. Okay, see here what we have taken. Source is company code and target is country. And what I did here, lookup field. So it is going to check in the P table of company code. And you can see map fields as well. See here, what is our target field? This is target is country. And it is reading from company code master data P table level. Okay, you got it right? Any other field, you can take material. So maybe here it is metal type. Here material and metal type, metal group, material color, like customer name. So anything you can take it. Okay, master data you should give. It will read from the master data. This is how master data, read master data will work. Okay, and then we'll move to other topic. Okay, I will cover last class the field level routine, start routine, end routine. Okay, don't worry. In the last class, I will cover. Above things all will cover lately. Okay. Okay, now I wanted to create one open hub, this one, open ODSV. So I'm going to create one data flow. Okay, here just drag and drop open ODSV. See here, This is completely virtual. It will not store data physically. See, basically when we will create, so in LSA++ architecture, we have a staging layer. Staging layer. Okay, in the staging layer, we are creating staging advanced ES4, or OpenADS view. Based on your requirement, you will create it. If you want to store the data physically, then you can create staging advanced ES4. If you don't want to store the data physically, then you can go for ODS view, OpenADS view. Okay. Some projects will have this is the requirement. Okay. This is not mandatory to storing the data physically in the staging layer. Okay. The next layer, data warehouse integration layer. Data warehouse integration layer. So there you can get the data from here. Standard advanced ISO. Okay. So like this we have it, right? So in the staging layer, we will create the OpenADS view. Okay, they are like, no, they will keep target. They don't want to store the data. Then they will create OpenADS view. But I didn't use it till now. Okay, I know how to create OpenADS view. We'll see step by step. And like just drag and drop and right click. Okay, here we'll add it. Create OpenADS view. Z example OpenADS view. See, while you are creating OpenADS, we have semantics. Are you going to create for master data? Are you going to create for text? Are you going to for transactional data? So if you select transactional data facts and click here, see here, these are the sources. Okay, in the interview also they will ask you what are the semantics and what are the source type for the OpenODS view. You can tell straight away. So in my project, we didn't create any OpenADS view. This is replacement of virtual provider in the older version. So in the older version, we have a cubes of three types. Okay, in the older version, we have a cubes of three types. Cubes are three types. Info cube, we will call as info cube. Okay, standard info cube, standard info cube, standard info cube, virtual provider, virtual provider, sorry, virtual provider, and finally, and this real-time info cube, real-time info cube. So these are the three types of cubes in the old version. Okay, in standard info cube. Okay, OpenODS view replacement of virtual provider. Okay, replacement of virtual provider, replacement of okay virtual provider. Okay, OpenODS view replacement of virtual provider. This will not store data physically. Standard info cube, standard info cube will store the data. Okay, standard info queue will store the data physically, and a real-time info queue will store the data physically. Virtual, the name itself virtual. So it will not store data physically. It is completely virtual. So OpenODS view replacement of this virtual provider. Remember this point always. So here, like, no, what are the source for this one? Big data. Big data is a separate system, right? Data transformation, DSO, advanced DSO, virtual tables, database table or view linked with DMC, database table, data source. If you want to create OpenODS based on the data source, yes, you can create it and you can select for our data source. What is this data source? VA item. Okay, I am going to create based on this data source. Okay, click OK.